How does God speak to us? Sometimes we think He has to speak through drastically changing things in our lives. But most of the time, God speaks to us through that gentle spirit within our souls. And as we get out in nature, we can come in contact with Him through His creation. And He'll speak to your soul. He'll guide you. He'll prompt you. Sometimes convict you. And sometimes we just need to step back. God didn't speak to Elijah through the storm that broke open rocks. God spoke to him in a gentle wind. That's how God speaks. Through general revelation, what we observe in nature, and in His special revelation, He speaks to us through people who had encounters with the living God who recorded it in the scriptures. Both general and special revelation. God's given us both. He's given us His word. He's given us guidance. We just have to take time to listen. Take time to listen to that breeze, to that gentle spirit that He speaks to us with. We just need to listen.